SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art and science of enhancing your online presence to rank higher in search engine results. Imagine having a storefront that's hidden in a dark alley, while your competitors are front and center on Main Street. That's what poor SEO feels like. Let's dive into the essentials. First, keyword research is your foundation. Think of keywords as the bridge connecting your content to your audience. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can help you identify what people are searching for. Look for keywords with a good balance of search volume and competition. Long-tail keywords, which are more specific phrases, often have less competition and can drive highly targeted traffic to your site. Next up is on-page SEO. This involves optimizing individual pages on your site. Start with your title tags and meta descriptions. These are your first impressions in search results, so make them compelling and relevant. Use your primary keyword in both, but keep it natural. Then, focus on your content. It should be informative, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Aim for a clear structure with headings and subheadings to improve readability. Don't forget about images. They should have alt text that describes the content, which also helps with SEO. Now let's talk about technical SEO. This is where you ensure that your website is accessible and easy for search engines to crawl. Check your site's loading speed. A slow site can drive visitors away. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify and fix issues. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, as more users are browsing on their phones. Implementing an SSL certificate is also crucial for security and can positively impact your rankings. Link building is another vital aspect. Think of links as votes of confidence from other websites. The more quality backlinks you have, the more authoritative your site appears to search engines. Guest blogging, creating shareable content, and reaching out to industry influencers can help you build these valuable links. But remember, quality over quantity is key. A few links from reputable sites are far more beneficial than numerous links from low-quality sources. Content marketing goes hand in hand with SEO. Regularly updating your blog with fresh, relevant content not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to search engines that your site is active. Consider creating a content calendar to plan your topics ahead of time. Incorporate various formats like videos, infographics, and podcasts to cater to different preferences. Finally, analytics and adjustments are crucial. Use Google Analytics to track your traffic and understand user behavior. Look at which pages perform well and which don't. This data will guide your strategy moving forward. SEO is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly review and refine your approach based on performance metrics. By mastering these elements of SEO, you'll not only improve your visibility, but also create a more user-friendly experience for your visitors. Remember, the goal is to connect with your audience and provide them with the information they need. So roll up your sleeves and start optimizing.